In the north, where forests grow slowly and winters teach patience, craftsmanship is not a trend. It is a tradition shaped by time, by fire, by hands that understand wood not as a material, but as a living story. This is a place where homes are built to last, and furniture is made not for seasons, but for generations. Imagine a house standing quietly among trees, timber and stone, warm light behind wooden walls. A place that feels protected, not isolated. Inspired by Nordic longhouses, shaped by modern needs, this home is a balance between strength and calm. It does not shout, it welcomes. This is not about luxury in the modern sense. It is about quality of life, about slowing down, about warmth, about spaces that support everyday rituals. Morning light in the kitchen, evenings by the fire, silence that feels comfortable, a home that gives more than it takes. Every piece of furniture is designed as part of a whole. Tables carved from massive oak, beds that feel grounded and protective, kitchens that combine tradition with modern precision. Subtle Nordic carvings are not decoration, they are symbols of identity, heritage, and craftsmanship. This is furniture that invites touch and rewards attention. Everything you see is made with intention, handcrafted, custom-made, built to endure. We work with wood because it ages with dignity, just like well-made things should. This is craftsmanship, shaped by the North, refined. This is not just a house, not just furniture. It is a way of living, rooted in nature, honesty, and time, crafted from wood, shaped